If you wake up every morning, clock in, and honestly believe your job is safe, this isn't entertainment. This is a warning. Because AI isn't coming for jobs. It's coming for people who think they can't be replaced. And most people won't realize it until it's already over. Let's get one thing straight. This isn't an AI tutorial. This isn't hype. And it's definitely not motivation. This is real life. The uncomfortable kind. If your paycheck comes from a job, AI is already reshaping your future while you're busy doom scrolling your phone. Over the last few years, companies didn't test AI. They used it to cut people. HR got automated. Customer support got handed over to chatbots. Content teams got slashed. Entry-level programmers quietly disappeared. These weren't lazy workers. They were solid, reliable, average employees. And that's the problem. Average costs money. AI doesn't. Companies don't reward effort. They reward output per dollar. And AI works non-stop. No salary, no emotions, no days off. People love saying, "We've seen this before." Computers came. The internet came. Jobs survived. That comparison is weak. Old tech helped humans work faster. AI replaces thinking itself. That's the shift. AI doesn't help you. It competes with you. It writes, designs, analyzes, plans, and gets better every single day. Humans learn slowly. AI scales overnight. That's why this feels quiet. No alarms, no chaos, just fewer openings, lower pay, and way higher expectations. Here's the part nobody wants to admit. Hard work isn't enough anymore. The system doesn't reward effort. It rewards leverage. If one person using AI can do the work of 10, why keep 10? Loyalty doesn't matter. Experience doesn't matter. Degrees don't save you. The only thing that matters now is how much value you create per hour. And most jobs don't pass that test. If your job is mostly repeating tasks, following instructions, or producing predictable results, you're on the chopping block. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but it's coming. And no, white-collar jobs aren't safe either. In fact, they're more exposed because AI understands language, and language used to be your edge. AI doesn't replace everyone. Not yet. It doesn't replace people who make decisions, sell outcomes, control systems, or adapt before they're forced to. Not skills, positions. If you're just executing, you're at risk. If you're thinking, designing, directing, you still have time. But that window is closing fast. So ask yourself one uncomfortable question tonight. If you got laid off tomorrow, could AI replace what you do in 30 days? If that question makes you uneasy, good. That's awareness. In the next video, I'll break down the one type of skill AI still can't replace, and why most people will never learn it. Subscribe, not for motivation, for survival.